Hey YouTube, this is going to be a quick video on how to change the fog light assembly and bulb for an Acura CSX. This applies to 2009 to 2011 models. It's actually very simple to remove the fog light assembly. There's only one screw, a Phillips standard screw that holds the fog light to the bumper. Once the single screw is removed, you can simply pull out the assembly and release the bulb. In my case, I used the flathead screwdriver to depress a tab that was holding the bulb in place. At this point, you can opt to repair the fog light lens yourself using some sort of polycarbonate material. You can find DIY videos on YouTube. However, in my case, I was able to find some OEM replacement parts locally, which cost me actually just $100, which was reasonable to me. So I opted out to actually just replace my broken assemblies rather than trying to repair the glass myself. The bulb is removed from the assemblies quite easily. All you have to do is turn them about 90 degrees and they release. In my case, I also purchased brand new bulbs online. The bulbs you need for the Acura CSX are an H11. When changing the bulbs, make sure that you wear gloves. The oils from your fingers can get on the lens of the bulb and can overheat the glass and could potentially cause it to shatter. Once you change the light bulb, it's actually very simple to reattach to the assembly. You simply have to click it in place. The assembly is also very simple to remount to the bumper. All you have to do is secure it in place and reattach that one screw. And yes, it was actually that simple. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.